So now we're going to start the CSS. We come into our style document. That's how we start CSS. We delete what code.org has put there for us. We don't need that. And we're going to start coding. I'm actually going to copy and paste some of it from the document that I shared with you on the agenda slide. So I'm going to open up that agenda slide. I'm going to click on it, and I'm actually going to copy the first part. You can do this background. This one I can copy. I'm actually going to copy all of it and then show you some certain stuff. So I'm going to copy what we did, and I'm going to paste it. So one thing that's not working is this wallpaper image. That should be behind here. So we need to upload that file. So I'm going to come, this is normal CSS coding. So that should be just easy for you to follow along with. But this background is a new one. So we typed background URL, and then we typed the name of the picture that we're uploading. So I have to come into the Flamingo folder, wallpaper photo, click on it. And then on the right-hand side, there's this wallpaper button to click on and download, so that when you come into code.org now, you can come to add image, upload a file, and choose that wallpaper image that you want. Okay? And then X out. And then now if I refresh my screen, it should be there because it was coded in that way. Okay. And then the other interesting one was this Google font. So that has two steps. So we copied it straight from the way it did it, but we did also come into Google Fonts. This will be on your test as well, Google Fonts. And we took two pieces of code from Google Fonts. So we found the font we wanted, which was this Rubik Scribble by searching Rubik. And I came down to, maybe, let's try that again, Rubik. Okay. And I'm going to choose this one, Rubik Scribble. Oh, why is it not doing that? One more time. Rubik. Really weird that it's acting funny today. Try it one more time. Otherwise, I'll have to explain it in another video. I have it in my shopping cart. So once you find it, you click Get Font, but it is not working today, the Google Font site. So that's very bizarre. Let's try it one more time. Rubik. It might be because I have screen record on. There it is. I click on it, and it was working for a second. There'll be a Get Font button, and then you'll have the font. There we go. Embed code. Once you hit Get Font, it was working there. And then in the embed code is two pieces of code you need. You need the CSS, which we have. We have the CSS, but we also need, I'm going to give up on that. You also need a piece of code that I put in the HTML. So I'm going to also paste that to the Google slide. So if I come into my code to make that font work, see how it's going to work like that. I'm going to come into my HTML. Right here under the head, you're going to paste this piece of code. So I'm going to copy it, and I'm going to come to the new one I'm doing that doesn't have that. Come to the index, come to line 3, the head, enter, paste it. Now that font should be working. I'm going to give you this font piece of code over here on the CSS page. You'll need this for your HTML for the font. Everything else should be provided in the CSS for you. Okay, so you'll paste that right into the HTML, and that should make the code work, and everything should be how we ended today.